This video is from the outside of the knitting machine looking in. On single knitting machines, the fabric being knitted is visible as it comes off the needles. This is not true when knitting double knit fabrics. Each of the yarns going into the needles must be under the same amount of tension if the fabric is to be uniform in appearance and free of barré. A view of the needles while the machine is not running allows one to see the position of each loop on successive needles. As the machine is running at slow speed, one can see how each feed of yarn starts a new course, and at each feed the needles go through the same pattern of movement. At this point, notice how one course is knitting a dyed yarn and how that course is formed every revolution of the knitting machine. The distance between the consecutive dyed yarn courses is the amount of fabric produced during each machine revolution. This is one way of forming horizontal stripes in a knit fabric. When stripes are formed in this manner, it is referred to as a feeder stripe. To produce whiter stripes, multiple numbers of dyed yarns, one after the other, must be fed. The width and pattern of the stripes is limited to the number of feeds on the knitting machine. Wider stripes and more complex striped patterns are formed on engineered stripe machines. These machines use special feeds to select different colors of yarn, which feed in at various times and for various lengths of time.